the Huber High Warriors head up against the Las Vegas Hurricanes. Now, guys, the Las Vegas Hurricanes struggled in their first loss of the season to the Covington Clippers as they got absolutely destroyed. And it was obvious that Milan Zupan was proven to be not that good of a center as he was locked up by Vincent LeBlanc. He is down to 14 points, 10 rebounds, and 2 assists after that horrible performance against them. He only had 2 points and 1 rebound compared to his other 2 games where he had 24 and 17 and 17 and 13, both in wins. Now today they're going to go against the Huber High Warriors, and this team doesn't have that good of a center. If anything, he's extremely old, 37 years old, 18th year in the league. He is not going to be very much of a factor on offense or defense today. But his stats have proven me wrong, as he's averaged 10 points, 9 rebounds, and 2 assists a game. Guys, I don't know if he's going to be able to continue this, as he's been pretty inconsistent, doing great against Tacoma, but then doing poorly against the Tangs, and then doing decent against Jacksonville. So, I mean, I don't know. Personally, I think that he's going to struggle today. They also don't have that good of a power forward either. Honestly, their entire front court is not looking that good. Like, their highest score is a 37-year-old averaging 10, and he's extremely inconsistent. The other two are averaging a combined 8 points per game. Almost 9 points per game. So this isn't looking too good for Huber Heights on the front court of things. Now, the back court of things is looking incredible, with Suleiman Aiden throwing dimes to Josh Bond, one of the best players, if not the best player in the league. This should be a tough time for the Las Vegas Hurricanes. Josh Bond, even though he's earning $25 million over 4 years as only a 17-year-old, he has proven that he deserves it, averaging 22, 4, and 3 over the last 3 games. Let's see if he can continue the great performances he's had over the past games. Now, without further ado, let's start this game off, guys. Guys, we are in the PartyCity.com arena in Las Vegas, Nevada. As you can see the stats of everyone, you can see the leading score for both teams. Aiden and Josh Bond are the leading scorers for both teams. And guys, Las Vegas wins the tip-off as Milan Zupan gets the ball instantly and scores instantly. His first 2 points tonight now. It's already 2-zip. Suleiman Aiden has the ball, kicks it out to Dawson. Dawson kicks it out to Josh Bond. Corner 3, it doesn't go in there. I'm pretty shocked. He looks pretty open there. But Dawson gets the ball back and hits the layup there. He has 2 points and 1 rebound already. 5.5 minutes to go now. It's tied 2-2. Hughes, mid-range jumper. It falls for him. Great shot from Samuel Hughes. Guys, for this game, I've got Huber Heights winning. Even though they don't have that good of a front court, I feel like Josh Bond is going to carry his team to a win today, as he can't get that floater to go either. 0 for 2 to start this game already. That is very shocking. Worst wall over to Dem Aiden. He does not struggle to hit that shot over Josh Bond there. 2-6 already. Dem Aiden has the ball. Gonna kick it over to Josh Bond. Great back down again. There goes his first 2 points of the night. He's 1 for 3, but he finally got a bucket there. Cuts this lead down to 2. 4-6 now. Hughes has the ball. Trying to find his shot on the back down. Kicks it out to Dem Aiden. Corner 3. He does not get it to go there. Rebound Josh Bond. Kicks it out to Aiden there. Aiden into the paint to Ozcan, who hits the layup. Another assist for Suleiman Aiden. Man, this guy has so many weapons in this backcourt to pass it to. It's honestly insane. Guys, good offensive rebound from Milan Zupan. Kicks it out to Hughes. Step back 3. Doesn't get it to go, though. Terry Dawson with the rebound. Dawson has the ball, trying to find his shot. Gets a screen. Heading to the rack. He is going to slam it home on Milan Zupan's head. What a dunk he got up there. Guys, honestly, Milan Zupan shouldn't even try to contest that there. That's just embarrassing. Guys, Horace Wall has the ball, putting the works on Suleiman Aiden. Step back into the paint of Milan Zupan. He's going to shoot and score over the old man once again. He has 4 now. Guys, like I said, this center for Huber Heights is going to have a really tough time. And he's proven me right. 3, corner 3 won't go again for Josh Bond. He has not been able to hit that shot today. I don't know what it is, though. Guys, Aiden can't get it to go. Rebound Josh Bond, and he's pushing it back up the court fast. Gets past Aiden. Slams it home! Josh Bond just gets the rebound and pushes it all the way down the court by himself and dunks it home. He has 4 now. Guys, Josh Bond just has that kind of athleticism to get the rebound, push it back down the court, and just slam it home. Man, he just has an incredible downhill ability. It's insane. Guys, Suleiman Aiden has the ball after the missed shot from Las Vegas. Ozcan, great back down. Lay-in, he gets it to go there. Timeout Las Vegas. They're down 4 with 3 minutes to go in this first quarter. Milosevic is in, along with Dawson, Clark, and Helm are in for Las Vegas. Let's see what these players can do to change this game. Dawson out to Helm. Great back down. Ozcan didn't stand a chance. Milosevic has the ball for the Warriors. Kicks it out to Dawson. Dawson trying to find his shot, and he doesn't. Misses the layup there. Clark with the rebound, and he's pushing it back up the floor for Las Vegas. 12-10 with 2.5 minutes to go. Clark kicks it out to Milan Zupan. Shoots a 3-pointer. Does not go. I don't know why he just shot that. That is not his shot whatsoever. He should not be shooting those at all. Milosevic with the screen. Kicks it out to Bellevue. Bellevue back down. Trying to get past him. Lay-in will go for the old man. What a great back down on Milan Zupan from Mason Bellevue. Shows that he still got it. has had help from his teammates, and that has helped him a lot today, for sure. And guys, Bellevue hits it there. Great game so far it's been from Bellevue, I'd say. As Hughes has it, shot, won't get it to go. Guys, shot, won't get it to go again. Dawson trying to find his shot. Dribbling, gets a screen. Trying to find his shot. Kicks out to Josh Bond from 3. Yes, gets the corner 3 to fall. He has 12 now. And guys, Owen has the ball for Las Vegas. Kicks it out to Milan Zupan. Shot. Will get it to go. It just barely rimmed in for him there. Man. Milosevic has it. And no good from the Warriors on offense there. Owen has the ball. Kick into the paint. Missed layup though. Milosevic with the board. It is 66-48 now. Kick out to Josh Bond. 3. Can't get it to go. He has struggled from deep, like I've said many times before in this game. He has got to stop chucking up those shots. Great shot from Milan Zupan. He has 16 now. He had a much better game than he did last game. But this is not translating to a lead as Ozcan scores again. He has 14 now. It is 68-50. Owen gets a screen, heading to the rack. Dunks it home on Ozcan. What a great slam there. Milosevic has the ball, kicks it out to Josh Bond. Josh Bond, what a back down. He should have just shot the layup there, but kicks it out instead, and a missed shot there. Guys, I have a feeling that he was just trying to be disrespectful there. Just sends a Dem Aiden flying, and then just kicks it out, and great defense from Josh Bond there. He doesn't even move him whatsoever. Josh Bond just stands in the same spot after the back down, and then gets the stop there. Missed shot from the Warriors again is 68-52. Late in this third quarter, Milan Zupan slams it home. What athleticism! Wow, guys, what a screen with a screen you can basically do anything after. If the man behind that screen is not gonna switch in time, you can basically do anything you want, and he basically just did that. Jumper, can't get it to go at the buzzer. 68-54 to end this third quarter. And guys, it looks like Las Vegas is trying to crawl back into this one, but right now it's not looking like they will. Hello everyone, welcome back to the final quarter of regulation here. Let's see if Las Vegas can come back or if the Warriors will maintain this lead into the end of the game. Clark kicks it out to Dem Aiden, corner 3. Can't get it to go. Shots like that don't get you back into the game. Ozcan has the ball, kicks it into Josh Bond. Layan will go after the great back down this time. He has 14. Man. Owen kicks it in to Dem Aiden, misses the jumper. Guys, Dem Aiden has struggled on offense when playing Josh Bond. I don't know what it is, but he just has. Milosevic has the ball. Trying to find the shot. Milosevic dribbling, step back, kick it out to Dawson. Back to Milosevic. What a jumper from Milosevic. 72-54 now is the score. Shot. Lee Clark gets it to fall somehow, some way. He has 6 now. It is 72-56 now. Milosevic over to Ozcan. Ozcan laying. Will not fall. Dixon has the ball. Dribbling, trying to find his shot. Screen set on both sides of him. Zupan gets the ball this time. Shoots a mid-range jumper. Gets stopped there, but they get the ball back. 0-3. Missed again, but they get the ball back. And they miss a dunk somehow. How did Milan Zupan miss that? And guys, Dawson just makes it look easy. cherry picking there. And he gets his 12th point of the night. 74-56 now is the score. Guys, Owen has the ball. Hook shot. Doesn't go in again. Lee Clark trying to find his shot. Step back. Kick out to Adem Aiden. Shot. Finally gets it to go. 15 from Adem Aiden. He has been ice cold tonight. Milosevic kicks it out to Josh Bond. Shoots it. No good. Just a little bit too much power there. No good again. Even after the offensive rebound. 74-58 is the score. Guys, Zupan has it. Trying to find a shot. Gets it to go. 74-60. He has 20 and 10 tonight. Guys, Milosevic has the ball. Kicks it to Bellevue. Bellevue can't get it to go. Guys, this man has not been consistent today. Had a good game at the beginning and then has just been slowed down ever since. Shot goes in for Milan Zupan again. 22 and 10 from him now. Milan Zupan has been going crazy today. Guys, Ozcan trying to find a shot. He will. 76-62. He has 16 now. 3 minutes to go. Las Vegas is trying to make this game interesting, or at least trying to make it as close as possible. But every time they score on offense, it seems like the Warriors do. Missed shot there. Let's see if the Warriors can capitalize off of this, or if Las Vegas gets to stop and gets another chance on offense to score. They don't get the steal, but they almost do. Milosevic has it. Kicks it over to Dawson. Dawson scores again. He has 14 now. Hogan, Left Briv, and Gonzalez are all in for the Warriors. Wall to Dawson. Dawson scores. He has 5 now. Left Briv has the ball for the Warriors, trying to find his shot. Gonna kick it into Bellevue. Lay in. Finally gets it a fall. 12 from Mason Bellevue now. And guys, Horace Wall has the ball, trying to find his shot. To Clark. Hits a 3. 80-67 now. He has 9. Guys, Left Briv has the ball for the Warriors. Kicks it over to Hogan. Hogan, great back down. Great layup. He has 9 now. My goodness, what a great performance from the Warriors today. They've shown today that they are a better team than Las Vegas. All around. Even with their star player not performing to his standards, as Left Briv scores again with his 11th point now. Guys, Josh Bond is subbed out, and I can tell you now, he is completely fine with that. This game is over. 84-67 with a minute to go, with a minute and a half to go. Shot, no good again. Rebound from Ozcan once more. Ozcan trying to find his shot. Kicks it out, but it's a turnover though. Samuel Hughes read the pass perfectly. Kicks it out to Horace Wall from 3. Nope. And Hogan gets the rebound. Pushing it back up the floor. Slows it down a little bit. Ready to set up a play here. Double screens on either side of him. And a shot. No. Yeah, a shot there from Bellevue. He missed the layup. Like I said earlier, Bellevue has struggled with being consistent this season. Gotta work on that. And I feel like the Warriors definitely can become a much better team after that. Other than getting a better big man, he has to be more consistent. And Soyman Aiden saves it there. Kicked out to Ozcan. Back to Soyman Aiden. He really looks like he wants to score on Horace Wall here. See what he can do. Hook shot. Can't get it to go on him there. Horace Wall to Helm. Who does score there? He got the friendly roll there. Less than 30 seconds remaining, as Hogan is still looking to score. Gets the screen from Mason Bellevue. It's strong. Kicks it out to Marcel. Left Briv. No good. 84-69. Right now. With 10 seconds left in this fourth. Samuel doesn't score. Mason with the rebound. And he's just looking like he's going to dribble out this clock as this game is over. The Huber Heights Warriors win on the road on top of that. Man, what a game this was. The Gilbert High Warriors struck first in the first and never gave up the lead. Not once. Not one time did they give up this lead today. After that first quarter, they did not give up the lead, guys. How impressive that is honestly insane. Toyman Aiden does not score not once in this game. But he gets 12 assists though. Like I said, not very much of a scoring guard, more of a passing guard. And my goodness, did he find his targets. Josh Bond, Terry Dawson, Ozcan, Bellevue, Left Bridge, Hogan, Gonzalez, Illick, Milo 7. I mean, he just found all his teammates today. Well, guys, that will end tonight's game. I will see you guys next time.